When it comes to using AI, one of the most simple but also overlooked things is prompt engineering. Now, there are companies that are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars a year for prompt engineers to specifically tailor what they are wanting to get out of AI to build it for them so their company can utilize this for growth. That's not what we're going to be going over today. I'm just going to show you the four basic concepts of a prompt and show you what the output will be if you use a prompt using these four items, how much better your results will be when you're using AI. Let's jump into it. So guys, I told you we're going basic. A good AI prompt has four parts. Here's part one. The role. You need to tell the AI program you're using how you want it to act. An example being act as a marketing expert. Number two is a goal. What do you want it to do? Example would be write a cold email. Number three would be context. Give it some background info. Example being this is for a real estate agent in Houston. And number four would be the output. Be clear on what you want back from AI. So the example being give it in bullet points so it's easy to copy and paste. So now that we have this, let's work on putting something together here to show the difference. So here's what we're going to do. I'm in Claude and we're going to say this. Write me a cold email. I am a realtor in Houston, Texas. Let's see what it gives us. So it's going to give you an email like this. Off just this one line, this very basic, we didn't give it much. Houston Realtor cold email template, Houston Homes, 37 days average, and it gives you could easily copy and paste this. Tells you where it got its info from, but if we take it a step further and we give it the four items that we talked about, it's going to significantly improve this. So let's go back to it. And let's keep this in mind here. Role, goal, context, output. So this is the prompt that we are going to use right here. Here's the role that we give it if we reference back right here. Role, goal, context, output. Here's what we're going to do. I want you to act as a real estate marketing specialist. You are world tier and the best of the best when it comes to copywriting and cold outreach. That's a pretty good role to give it. It's two sentences, they don't contradict each other, and they work together. So that's the role. My goal, this obviously is our goal, is to contact homeowners, specifically condos in downtown Houston, Texas. That's the goal of what we're trying to accomplish and what we want it to help with. Now the context is this. I'm a 15-year real estate veteran selling only in Houston proper, and I have sold over $200 million of real estate in that time. So that's the context, a little bit about who I am and what I'm trying to accomplish. I want you to provide me an easy copy-paste format, cold email I can send and include bullet points so it's easy to skim if they look at it quickly. I want items that stand out to catch the eye. Now remember, this is the prompt right here that a lot of people come in and do. They just say, write me a cold email. I'm a realtor in Houston, Texas, because they either don't have the knowledge of how to do it or they're lazy or both. So then you could have that prompt or you could have this one. So let's see what this gives us versus the other. So here we go. If you can find the contact information for condo owners, this is your downtown Houston condo. Your downtown condos value in today's shifting market. That's a pretty good subject line. If I owned a condo in downtown, I'm opening that up. Downtown Houston condo owners are facing a tough market reality right now. Prices dropped 22.7% this year while inventory skyrocketed, and it's getting worse. So here's what's happening to your property value, why this matters to you, how I help downtown condo owners win. It's bringing a pretty strong call to action. Bottom line, the market shifted. Your neighbors who wait 6 months will face even steeper competition and lower prices. So this one here is providing FOMO, and it's bringing real stats. It's referencing where it got the information from, and it has a pretty strong call to action. So this would be an email that I would send, and I would be happy to send this over what we got by just simply saying, write me a cold email. I'm a Houston realtor. Now, guys, this was just one example. I'm not a Houston realtor. I've never even been to Houston. I'm in Idaho. So this was just an example. You can take this and format it however you would like. But the overview of all of this is that's how you build a prompt. If you have those four things, your output, like what you put in, is going to be significantly better than just write me a cold email. I'm a realtor in Houston, Texas. If you write a prompt like what we crafted right there, your output is going to be 100 times better than someone who doesn't know what they're doing, who just hops into AI and says, write me a cold email. I'm a realtor in Houston, Texas. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. If you want me to do another prompt, I'm happy to do it. Just let me know in what avenue, what anything you want me to do, I'm happy to do it. And share this with anyone who you think may find it helpful. We'll see you on the next one.